Welcome to Lvtopsun. Lvtopsun was established in 2016. Our 20,000 square meters modern factory in Dongguan is a convergence point of innovation and energy. We specialize in the research, development, production, sales, and service of lithium battery packs. We have expanded globally, establishing sales offices, warehouses, and service centers in more than 20 countries: Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, the Philippines, Myanmar, South Africa, Nigeria, Pakistan, Iraq, Dubai, and more. We use grade A cells and high-quality raw materials, and use professional equipment to conduct a complete series of tests on the batteries to ensure battery quality. Our products have passed a series of internationally recognized certifications, such as UN 38.3, CE, UL, NIS-DS, and we also hold ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification to ensure product quality control. We maintain a premium product positioning, uphold people-centric values. Our products have gained widespread popularity in both domestic and international markets. We warmly welcome customers from both home and abroad to cooperate with us for mutual success.